Okay, we're Friday, April 7th, 9 a.m. Freeborn County, southern Minnesota. Another bread run today. This is my third store brand of frozen dough. So, this is the second store brand and the third type. So, this one is from Hy-Vee. I guess I've been forgetting to mention that in the other videos. Kind of windy. Hopefully you can hear me good today. We'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, 7 April. This is the 30-minute mark. Looks like we've risen quite a bit here. The fun panel here looks like it's risen quite a bit as well. I may have forgotten to mention that today's panel cookers are an oversized Tiangtan Fun panel and an oversized Tiangtan Sun funnel. I will get these two bumped ahead with the sun sight there, and we will be back in another 30 minutes. I expect to see a little color at the 30-minute mark, or the 1 hour mark. So I'll get rolling on that and we'll bring you back then. All right, 7 April. What's this, 1 hour in? Sun funnel, a slight bit of color showing. The fun panel, not really much showing there. So we'll bump it ahead and we'll get back. All right, hour and a half in, and that's what we're dealing with here. The sun funnel, smelling quite ready. Got a nice little crust going. Starting to get some crust on the fun panel. If we can just get a little more sun to finish out the deal here, we'll be good to go. I'm going to bump it ahead and give it a little rotate here. We'll bring you back. Okay. Smelling very yummy out here. This is, I think we're 2 hours in right now. I'll have to double check. This is the sun funnel. It took an early lead, and that kind of jives with what I've had experience with in the past. But the oversized fun panel here, I did say this was the sun funnel, right? Yeah. This is the fun panel. That's looking and smelling good too. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them the thermometer here, and we'll see. So stick with me here, and we'll try and see if we can document this here. See if I can do this where you can see it. Ooh. All right, 160, 70, 75, 80. Struggling to get past 180 here. I might need to leave these guys out here a little bit more. Yeah, I think I will. Looks like the sun has messed with us here, or the clouds rather. So I even bother doing the other one, I'll rotate this. Scooch that back. Ooh. We will try again later here. Okay, we are now 3 hours in. This is, I know it smells so good here. I can tell the weather's warmed up. I got flies all over here. They smell it too, evidently. So, this is the sun funnel. Fun panel. I've already attempted these things all prepped here so I don't bang and clunk the camera around too bad. I'll try one more time. There's my previous hole for the thermometer there. I'll try to hit it in the same spot so not to. Wow, that lid is cranking hot. All right. All right. 170, 80. 190, 92, 'm gonna say that's 190. Should have brought my cheaters. It's looking like maybe 194. So I'm gonna call that good enough. Hopefully this thermometer will cool down here relatively quick. What are we at here? Where's it at? There it is. And it's under 100. I'll have to leave it set here for a minute. Let me get this moved over to the other. All right. That's down around 70, so I'll poke this in here now. Bang. Oh, wow. Man, is that hot. Let's see. I'm already, can you see that? I'm already at 200. So, wow. Well, hopefully you saw that. Can I move that so you can see it better? Yeah, 20. Well, that's like 204. All right. Wow. Wasn't expecting that. So, fun panel. Doing well. So we were 3 hours in today. Took a lot longer than I thought. I'm not even going to try to pick that up. Hopefully I can get a shot of this cooling rack shot before I go to work. Because I do have to work today. Good Friday or not, I still got to go. All right. We'll try to get a parting shot inside of the low side by side. Thank you.